And now, First Warn 5 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
Hey folks, another warm and humid evening across the valley tonight. Does not exactly feel like October, but it is, and it'll probably change later in the week courtesy of a front on Friday. But here's where we are right now. These are the currents. It's 83 in McAllen, 80 in Weslaco, only 78 Brownsville, Edinburgh, or Harlingen rather, Raymondville and Edinburgh, 82 at the coast at this hour. Tonight we're not going to drop all that much. Most of our lows will be in the mid 70s, so not exactly a chilly night, certainly by autumn standards. And then tomorrow we're right back up in the 90s again, maybe a couple degrees cooler than today, but not dramatically so. And there could be a brief shower in one or two spots in the morning, so that may keep temperatures down just a little bit, but not very much. The normal high for this time of year is 88. We'll be above that the next 3 days. But if this was a 4-day outlook, then you'd see the change, because that's coming on Friday. We'll talk about that in a second. If you look at satellite, nothing going on tonight, mainly clear out there, just some patchy clouds moving in. And future track suggests that overnight, again, maybe a sprinkle or two. There's 9 a.m. Notice some green shows up on the map. There's an old front that's just going to be settling down into the area and then turning right back around and leaving again. So the front's not going to make much difference, but maybe enough to trigger an isolated shower early in the morning. And then overnight, tomorrow night into Wednesday, we're back to mainly sunny skies again. And with that, temperatures just a little bit warmer, and even warmer than that by the time we get to Thursday. Again, it's the next front on Friday that could trigger some showers, and then maybe some cooler temperatures for, well, probably yes, cooler temperatures for Friday, and pretty nice for the weekend. We've got about a 30% chance of rain in there for Thursday night. That's when that next front's going to be approaching. So there could be something as the moisture pools ahead of the front, and then with the front early Friday, a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm, a possibility. Look at the rest of Texas. It's pretty warm in the southern part of the state. Not bad when you get up to Dalhart, only 50 up there, but there's a front there. That's the front that kind of dies just to the north of us, and it just doesn't get here. So we just, again, continue to be well above average while the rest of the state is a little more comfortable. In the meantime, we go into Wednesday. Not much changes. That front pretty much washes out by Thursday, but by Friday, another front's going to show up on this map, race southward, and give us a little bit of a cool down for Friday and for the weekend. Pretty quiet in the Gulf of Mexico. Quick check, though, of the rest of the tropics. We have one system. All those clouds out there, there's one system we're really watching right down there in the central Atlantic, about a 30% chance of developing over the next 2 to 5 days. For us then tonight, 72 for a low. Could be some patchy fog in a few places like the last couple of nights. And then tomorrow we're back to 91. Clouds early, some afternoon sunshine. Again, about a 10% chance of a shower early in the day, but it's a dry day for the most part. The next 7 days, you notice the warm-up through Thursday, and then there's your front, Thursday night into Friday. That triggers clouds and maybe a shower, even a thunder shower with the front, only 77 Friday. Then look at the lows over the weekend. Even though we're in the 80s for highs, lows should be in the 60s again, so a little bit closer to where we should be for this time of year. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.